In part 1 of the Using the Time Tracker tutorial, we reviewed the main features of the time tracker, took you step by step through the smart drop-down menus, and showed you how easy and fast it is to enter your work information. So now let's talk about entering your hours, which is just as simple. Again, just launch the time tracker, and just below where you entered your work information, you'll see where you can track your straight time, overtime, and any flop or redline hours for the day. To enter your hours, just tap the box of the hour category you wish to enter, and a keyboard will appear. After you've entered your hours, hit Done. You'll see that your total daily hours will automatically calculate, and your total hours for the month will update. Feel free to use the app however you like. For example, if you'd rather not break out your straight time and overtime, you could just enter one number in the straight time box, and your total daily hours will calculate just the same. It's up to you. If you've checked in on average hours that day, simply tap the Yes/No button here to switch it to the Yes position, then tap the Average Hours box to enter the hours that you checked in on. Hit Done, and now you see your total hours have reset. And when you enter your hours worked for the day, your total hours will update from that point on. The Doubling Up button allows you to enter work information and hours for a second shift if you double up or double back. When you've entered your information, hit the Back button. A check mark will appear here in this box just to remind you that you doubled up that day, and you'll see that your total daily hours and total hours have updated to include the additional time. Finally, if you have any notes you'd like to include for the day, simply tap here inside the Remarks box and a keyboard will appear. Once you've entered your hours for the day, remember to hit the Save button at the bottom of your screen. If you forget to hit Save and click on any other button within the app, a pop-up will appear to remind you to go back and save your time for the day. However, if you don't save and you close the app by hitting the Home button on your phone, you may lose your information. So always remember to save. As mentioned in the Getting Started tutorial, the first time you click on the time tracker or the injury reporting tool, you'll be prompted to create an account where you have the option to enter your current total hours, so the time tracker can begin calculating your hours for the month from that point on. If you skipped this step or need to make a correction, just tap the Settings wheel here at the top of your screen. Here you can enter or correct your total hours. It's important to remember that whatever number you enter here will count as your total hours as of the day you downloaded the app. Let's say, for example, you downloaded the app on July 11th. Then a week later you realized you entered the wrong total hours when you created your account. Just tap the Settings wheel and enter a new number. This will edit your total hours for July 11th. And recalculate the following days accordingly. Likewise, let's say you downloaded the app on July 11th and created your account, but you opted to skip this step and did not enter your current total hours, and you haven't used the app since. Now it's July 19th and you want to start tracking your time. Tap the Settings wheel and enter your total hours as of July 11th. Then fill in the hours you worked each day following to get your total hours up to date and accurate. To view your time entries, you have several different options. At the top of your time tracker, you'll see 3 tabs: Day, Week, and Month. Day, of course, is the screen where you enter all your daily work information and time. Tapping the Week tab, you'll see the current week, Friday to Saturday, broken out by day, including a breakout of your hours worked, total daily hours, a running tally of your total hours, and your pay estimate. You can scroll to view a different week by selecting Previous or Next here at the bottom of your screen. Tapping the Month tab will give you a view of the current month, broken out by week, including your total daily hours for the week and a running tally of your total hours. The summaries here on both the Week and the Month tabs will show you in an instant your current hours for the month. And finally, because we understand how important it is to always be on the correct hours, we've made sure that your total hours will transition from month to month accurately. Here's how. On the first of each month, your total hours from the last day of the previous month will carry over, as these are the hours you will check in on for work. On the second of each month, your total hours will zero out, but will include any hours worked from the previous day. This will happen automatically, so you can rest assured you'll always be on the correct hours.